Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discuss about Kisan Radha app and its features and key point and why is in news. Let's begin. Union Agriculture Minister Sri Narendra Singh Tomar recently launched the Kisan Radha app. In this app covered cereals and all type vegetables and fruits and forest produce. In this app majorly 8 languages included, and if we see registration process, there is three mainly players involved in Kisan Radha app. One is farmer, another trader, another service provider. How to help farmers? This app help farmers through number one point, connect farmers and traders. This app connect farmers and traders through service providers and loads which the service provider to take, and another point is timely transportation service at competitive rates. In this time most of the minimum support price and all prices are included, so if we lose this time the price fluctuation will happen, so this app can help to farmers. And third point is reduction in food wastage. Due to coronavirus lockdown of total nation, the transportation system have also closed down, so reduction of in food wastage due to lack of supply chain is going on. So in these three mainly this app helpful to farmers. If we see key points of this app connect farmers and traders to a network more than 5 lakh trucks and 20 lakh tractors, and it is meant to help farmers and traders who are searching for vehicles to move produce. If we see primary transportation, secondary transportation, these 5 lakh trucks and 20 lakh tractors use primary transportation and secondary transportation also. If we see primary transportation, mainly farm to mandis and local warehouses and collection centers happen in primary transportation. Another secondary transportation is in local mandis to railway stations and warehouses or wholesalers. So why? Because of facilitated transportation of food grains and perishable during lockdown. We know that Rabi today and this season is Rabi season, so bumper yield we get, and the most of the food grains and perishable are the produce, maybe lack of supply chain, there is a wastage of the produce also happen. Mitigate this problem, this app is launched. Another is this app developed by National Informatics Center, which is under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. This app available in 8 languages. If we see, most of the railway is our mammoth of transportation system. Railway system also includes 65 new routes for running 567 parcel specials. If you see, in these 567, 503 are common parcel trains before corona also. New 65 routes are included. These 567 parcel trains transport 20,653 tons of food grains and perishable products like vegetables and PDS all to the part of the country. I hope you learn Kisan Radha app. Thank you.